Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla and white chocolate ganache. So you can use this in the filling of macarons. I use this almost every time I make a batch of macarons because it's just a very simple, delicious white chocolatey flavor with vanilla. You can put it on pie, you can put it on ice cream, you can put it on cake, you can put it on anything, or you can just have it on its own. It's really delicious and it's really simple as well. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients you're going to need, not many. Okay, so you're going to need about 400 grams of a good quality white chocolate. You want to avoid using candied chocolate or melts. Good quality white chocolate will be slightly more yellow in color. Things like chocolate melts and candied chocolate that are used for hardening will be more white because it has food color additives in it. 150 milliliters of thickened cream, between half to 1 full vanilla bean pod. And what we're going to do is scrape the seeds out of this and use that later. If you do not have a vanilla bean pod, you can substitute this with half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. I usually use this. I'm just using a vanilla bean pod because I found one. So what you're going to do is cut down the middle of your vanilla pod. Then you're going to open it up like so. And you're going to take your knife, put it at one end, just scrape out the seeds. Make sure you don't get bits of the pod like that in there. If you want a completely cream-colored ganache, don't add the vanilla because this will give it black little speckles, but it gives it a beautiful flavor. Now we're going to slowly heat up our cream on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add our white chocolate and stir for about 3 minutes again on a low heat until it starts to melt. When most of the chocolate is melted, but there's still a little few lumps left, that's when we're going to add our vanilla bean pod seeds. Continue to stir until all the chocolate has almost melted, then take off the heat. And as you can see, these are all the little vanilla bean seeds. So this is what it looks like when it's still nice and warm at room temperature. As you can see, it's already starting to thicken up. It needs to stay in the fridge to cool completely, then it'll become a lot more firm, and then you can fill macarons with this. If you want it melted again, just put it in the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds and put over ice cream or just eat as is. Okay guys, that's how you make my vanilla white chocolate ganache. It smells incredible, and ours hasn't completely set because Flavia and I want to eat it like this. You store it in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 5 days. But if you put it in the fridge for up to half an hour, it will not be this consistency. It will be a lot firmer and will be the perfect thing to fill a macaron with. But we're going to eat it like this. Flavia, let's eat this. Come on, girl. Flavia's had this in many a macaron before.
I have.
But have you had it fresh?
I haven't had it fresh.
There you go.
Oh my god.
She loves anything creamy. So this is just like...
anything chocolatey, anything creamy.
Anything chocolatey, anything creamy, me. It's just like, it's a winning combination.
You're my white chocolate.
See, Flavia could probably eat this all on her own. So I'm gonna let her have as much as she wants. But whatever I don't use, I'm gonna put in macarons. You can drizzle it over brownies, you can drizzle it over cake, over strawberries, over raspberries. Oh, raspberries.
Yes.
And yeah, it's very awesome.
It's beautiful.
Yum.
Thank you.
You're welcome,
I'm
sweetie.
complete now.
You're complete. Let's drizzle it over Flavia.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.